Starting in the name of Lord, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hey everyone, what are you up to? Hopefully you all are doing well. I am here with a new topic, present continuous tense. So open your workbooks at page number 28, 29, 30 and 31. Open your workbooks and be attentive, be ready and do all your work carefully with me. Present continuous tense. To understand this tense, just look at its definition. A tense that describes the continuity of an action is called present continuous tense. वो tense जो किसी काम के जारी होने को जाहिर करता है present continuous tense कहलाता है. Things that are happening now. वो चीज़ें जो कि अब हो रही हैं. क्या हो रहा है? I am teaching you. You people are opening your workbooks. You are sitting and studying. So we are doing some actions, right? तो in the same way present continuous tense यही है जो कि काम के करने को जारी होने को जाहिर करता है. Now look at its formation कि इसको हम फॉर्मेट कैसे करते हैं. तो उसके लिए we will have to see हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो इसमें यूज होता है वो इज आर एम है. एम जो है आपको पता है कि आई के साथ यूज होता है. इज यूज्ड विद सब्जेक्ट ही शी इट एंड सिंगुलर नाउन. और इसी तरह से आर जो है वो यूज होता है वी यू दे एंड प्लूरल नाउन के साथ. आई एन जी इज एडिड विद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. जो हमारी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब होती है उसके साथ क्या लगा दिया जाता है? ing लगा दिया जाता है. It's very easy. Just listen to me attentively. Now look at some examples. I am playing hockey. You are playing hockey. She is playing hockey. Naseem is playing hockey. Boys are playing hockey. We are playing hockey. In these examples, we can see easily is or am को कैसे यूज किया गया है. ठीक है. एम जो है यू कैन सी दैट सब्जेक्ट आई के साथ यूज हुआ है, यू आर के साथ, इज जो है वो शी और आर जो है बॉयज और वी के साथ. वेल आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? Definitely you are getting. I know you all are listening me very attentively because you are very good kids. All right. This is rule of positive sentences. बेटे as you know that it's grammar, तो grammar के कुछ rules होते हैं. well, तो हम देखेंगे कि जब हमने simple sentences present continuous के बनाने हैं तो what is the strategy और what are the rules. सबसे पहले आपका सब्जेक्ट आएगा. हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और उसके साथ आई एन जी एंड एट द लास्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. टू मेक अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट के सब्जेक्ट सबसे पहले आ जाएगा, फिर उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक इज एम आर और देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और उसके साथ हम ऐड कर देंगे जी आई एन जी. वेल एग्जाम्पल्स. आई एम ईटिंग राइस, वी आर ईटिंग राइस, यू आर ईटिंग राइस, दे आर ईटिंग राइस. सिंपली हमने क्या किया है, सब्जेक्ट के साथ वी पुट फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. Now at page number 29 we have an exercise. Translate the following sentences into English. We have some sentences in Urdu. करना क्या है? According to the rule of positive sentences we have to convert them into English language. Let's start. वो किताब से नकल कर रहा है. He is cheating from the book. नौकर फर्नीचर को झाड़ रहा है. The servant is dusting the furniture. Next one. पानी की सतह बुलंद हो रही है. The level of water is increasing. ड्राइवर कार तेज चला रहा है. The driver is driving the car fast. मैं मुलाजमत के लिए उसकी सिफारिश कर रहा हूँ. I am recommending him for the job. Well, class, write it neatly and carefully at your workbooks. Here is another activity, easy but interesting. Fill in the blanks with suitable helping verbs. They have given us some fill in the blanks and helping verbs. हमने क्या करना है? We have to put these helping verb into the fill in the blanks. They are running on the road. They है तो उसके साथ हम are लगाएंगे. And you can see the next one. My father is sleeping now. I am going to my friend's home. She is washing my shirt. Boys are playing football. In this activity, bete, you can see that के subject के accordingly हमने helping verb लगाया है. Let's see rule of negative sentence now. Subject plus helping verb. सबसे पहले subject, then helping verb is RM में से कोई एक, then not, plus first form of verb plus ing, and at the end we have to put object. To make these sentences negative, not is placed after helping verb. Is am are, like is not, are not, and am not. Well, simply what you have to do, just is, am, are के बाद आपने क्या कर देना है? Not लगा देना है while making negative sentences of present continuous tense. At the page 31, there is an exercise. Translate these following sentences into English as we have already done. Again, but वो हमने positive sentence किए थे, ये हम negative करेंगे. So, let's start. वो बालों में कंघी नहीं कर रही है. She is not combing her hairs. Write it with me, class. Next one is वो उस्ताद को तवज्जो से नहीं सुन रहा है. He is not listening his teacher attentively. Next one is डॉक्टर मरीज का मुआयना नहीं कर रहा है. Doctor is not examining the patient. अहमद और एहसन आपस में नहीं झगड़ रहे हैं. Ahmed and Ahsan are not quarreling with each other. And the last one is Pian is not ringing the bell. Well, bete, write it neatly. And the next exercise, rewrite the following as negative sentence. आपने ये वाली एक्टिविटी अब खुद से करनी है. It's quite easy. Just practice it right now. Now we have rule of interrogative sentence, that कि हमने interrogative sentence कैसे बनाने हैं. Let's see. Helping verb is am are. According to the subject सबसे पहले आ जाएगा. Then first form of verb plus ing, and at the end we should put object. Well, to change these sentences into interrogative, is am are is placed before the subject of that sentence, and then question mark is also placed at the end of that sentence. Well, question mark is very important while making interrogative sentence. You should have to keep it in your mind that whenever you are writing, just put the question mark at the end of every interrogative sentence. It's very easy. Now look at the next one. Well, here is an activity. Translate the following sentences into English. Now we have some sentences, interrogative sentences in Urdu. and what we have to do, we just simply have to translate them into English. क्या वो कमरे की सफाई कर रही है? Is she cleaning the room? क्या तुम अपना काम ईमानदारी से कर रहे हो? Are you working honestly? क्या वो घर की सफेदी कर रहा है? Is he whitewashing his house? क्या वो बस का इंतजार कर रहे हैं? Are they waiting for the bus? लास्ट वन, क्या वो मैच जीतने के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं? Are they working hard to win the match? Well, bete, this is your work. Just write it neatly and carefully at your workbooks. And there is another activity, that is the last activity of our distance. Rewrite the following sentences as interrogative sentences. आपने इस एक्टिविटी को भी खुद से सॉल्व करना है, वेरी केयरफुली एंड अटेंटिवली. So at the end, I'm leaving you with such a wonderful message. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Well, I have given you maximum knowledge related to this topic. Now it's up to you that कि आप इसको कितना प्रैक्टिस करते हो. जितना आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, डेफिनेटली you will learn a lot. So stay home, stay safe, save lives, take a great care of yourself. Bye bye, see you soon.